Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to code um, a little small simple maze game. And yeah, so the first thing I did was copy the code from the tutorial videos, and that's basically just this and most of this class here. But for the project we had to make some changes, so I added a little bit to this class. I added these two variables here, a private static int and a bitmap. I then initialized the bitmap, and then I created some methods down here, one that would let me change the color, one that would give me a new maze, and one that would change the dimensions of the maze. Um, yeah. And then before I went to my main activity, I went to my activity main, and I created some new things for myself. So I created a button, and then I created two edit text, a text view, and a spinner. So what the button does, it's what you press after. Okay, wait. So you have the edit text, and this is where the user will put in the width and the height, so the amount of columns and the amount of rows they want in the maze, and that's what that will do. And then this spinner here will allow them to pick the color, and after they've done that, they can press this button to confirm it all, and then that will end up changing the color and the dimensions of the maze. So after I went to my main activity and I created these variables, a button, a spinner, two edit text, and two static ints. And then inside my onCreate method, I initialized those variables, and I set my button action. So this is what will happen when you click that enter button. So when you click it, it will change the color to the input, and then it will change the dimensions, and it will refresh the maze, like giving a whole new maze. And I have these two methods. This one changes the color, and this one changes the dimensions. And these two work together with the methods here that change the color and dimensions. They go hand in hand for the whole thing to work. So if we run it, we can see how it works. So you can see my face is the little thingy, and as soon as you get to the blue, it changes the maze. But let's say you want to change the color, you want magenta, and you want it to be 5 by 12. So you just set those numbers and you press the button, and it sometimes takes a while just for the thingy, but there, as you can see, the maze was changed to a 5 by 12, and you just keep working it, and then you can keep changing it. I can change it back if I wanted to, or I could put 7 by 12 because it was 7 by 10 before, and I can change it to green, put the button, and there, again, it's changed the maze, the color, and the size of it. Yeah. Oh, and how I got my face in there was just taking a picture of my face and then dragging it into the drawable folder. And I did not create an image view because this is different. What I did here was actually just the bitmap I created here in my game view was for that picture. So as you can see here, I call in that face picture, which is actually here in my drawable folder, which is the picture of my face that I use. And that is about it. Thank you.